Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east.
Castilla y León is the largest autonomous community on the Camino. It has 3 distinct provinces, Burgos, Palencia, and León. The cities throughout this region were some of my favorites.
Was gone, sitting in my pocket, in plain sight, all alone.
The municipalities do offer water fountains for the pilgrims. We opted to buy filtered water from the local grocers. In one town, we were able to buy 8 liters of water for 75 cents, which made it very affordable.
Pulling stitches, time to let go, so come what may.
Coming out of Belorado, and it's in the 70s today. Total welcome relief from the high 90s and hundreds of the last 2 weeks.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep.
My wife says I have to go visit a church in Dos Santos that's built into the rock. So, although it's a mile off trail and up a hill, I'm doing it. Gotta listen to the wife.
So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old eyes. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding, an easy kill, gonna leave it all behind. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way.
Along the Camino, I never had to carry food in my pack because there were a lot of restaurants along the way.
Let go, so come what may.
The afternoon of day 12 was the first very long stretch of forest in this region. It was a great day on the Camino, and we had the forest all to ourselves. San Juan Ortega built this beautiful monastery in 1142.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Look at me, mama, what I become.
On the Camino, keep your eyes open for innovative small businesses. La Rustica Caravan Bar was a hidden gem. It was a total hipster burger bar, and it was the best burger on the Camino.
Later that afternoon, we hiked into Atapuerca, where the oldest known human remains were found, over 400,000 years old. The bones have been moved to Burgos, but we walked by the excavation site. Crowded today. Just had a very peaceful time at the top of Mata Grande. I was sitting up there all by myself. Just a great time to reflect on, what a beautiful journey this is. After a couple weeks on the Camino, things get repetitious. A lot of the cities and towns start to run together. But then you'll come across a town or city so spectacular that it stops you in your tracks. Burgos was one of those cities. Having spent over 3 years of my life in a Marriott, it always feels like home. After eating all this food, you'd think we'd be full, but the hiker hunger knows no bounds.
So folks, this is the part where I graciously exit stage left. Reality calls. But don't worry, I'll be back to finish the trip.
I continued on and started early the next morning. So peaceful being out here in the morning. Early morning, no one else is here. Can't wait to come back someday.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun.
Today is my birthday. Today is my hardest day of the Camino so far. It's a 25-mile day.
From within.
One of the reasons why I love a long-distance hike is the challenge of it. Being able to meet that challenge and complete this hike on my birthday was a gift all on itself.
Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And
when I finally arrived at Castro Harris, I checked into Quinta San Francisco, a wellness and spa retreat.
all that ever was is a rise. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today.
For dinner, I ate at the hotel's restaurant, La Bodega. It was really thoughtful of the staff to remember my birthday.
There's no time to borrow.